Din sabi pa ni Tami, because I have to tell you something. She doesn't want me to get married. Honey, can you stop doing that? It hurts.
It don't hurt. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, Hubsybug everything!
Hi, everything! How are you to find out today?
Good morning, little boy. Morning, baby. Where you been? Where you been? Good morning sa lahat, mga ka-everything. Kumusta yung mga ka-everything ko dyan? Somebody's crying. Naglalaba ako, guys. Napalaba ako. Naglalaba ako sa mga cover. Ng ito, oh. Sa gamit na sa couch. Yun. Yun lang yung ginawa ko. Naglalaba, naglilinis, nag-vacuum. Bina-vacuum ko din yung couch. Ganun. And yun. Hello? You wanna go upstairs? Do you wanna go upstairs with Mama? I love you. I love you. Hello? Anyway, guys, mag-fold na naman ako sa taas. I'm going upstairs, Han. I'm going to do folding.
Ooh, you're gonna fold?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
I'll smack you. Okay, guys. I'm going to fold. My husband's making fun of me because finally, for how many decades, I start folding. You stay here. You're not being a good girl. Nah. Roxy's face is sad. Okay, magpo-fold tayo dito lang. Ilagay natin dito. Hindi naman madumi dito. Vacuum ko lang dito kasi. Anyway, nag-vacuum ako, guys. Naglilinis, nag-poop. Ngayon, it's start to fold na naman tayo ng mga damit. So, while nagpo-fold, while pino-fold natin itong mga ito, na-fold na ito. Si Tami yung nag-fold nito. Kasi si Tami, iba siya. Pino-fold niya yung mga damit na siya yung naglalaba. And also, pag-usapan natin, doon kami kanina sa labas. And yung napag-usapan namin is about, sabi ko, si Bianan naman, si Bianan at saka yung kapatid niya. Napag-usapan namin yung kapatid ni Tami. Yeah! No? Find her! Hinahanap niya si Dimple Lurch. Okay. Anyway, so, sabi ko, si Susie ba, I said, yung kapatid nilang panganay, sabi ko, sabi ko sa kanya, even though na yung kapatid mong panganay, yung nawala, yung sinundan ni Bianan, sabi ko, even though she doesn't like me, I don't know why she doesn't like me from the beginning, I never wish her dead. Sabi ko, hindi ko wini-wish na mawala siya, ganon. At saka also, it's sad that, hindi niya ako gusto, and also, hindi ko mapakita sa kanya, especially, or sa kanila, na hindi lang yung habol ko sa asawa ko, yung gamitin ko siya, yung kung anong meron yung asawa ko, hindi yun yung habol ko. So, sabi ko sa kanya, that's not, I want to show them that hindi yun yung habol ko sa'yo. And then, sabi pa ni Tami, so, pagkatapos niyan, na napa-open up yung asawa ko, sabi ko first, but hindi ko talaga magets kung bakit ayaw niya ako. Nung mafe-feel ko talaga from the beginning, and also yung mga salita niya na, bakit ganon, bakit ako pinagbigyan, ganon, yung bakit bibilhan ako, ganon. So, sabi ko kasi, so, naobserbahan ko na yun yung kapatid mo, ayaw ako. Then sabi pa ni Tami, because I have to tell you something. She doesn't want me to get married. So, yun. So, napaamin tuloy si Tami na yung kapatid na yun. Pero, alam ko naman yun, pero makikita mo talaga na parang nasa-shock silang lahat na mag-asawa yung kapatid nilang lalaki. Yun lang yung tinaktakbuhan nila. Dalawa sila actually magkapatid. Yung pangatlo si Inawel. Yung ina nila. Well, understandable naman yung ina, diba? Yung asahan mo yung anak mo na mag-ano sa'yo. Suportahan ka, ganun. Pero mga kapatid, may mga asawa at mga anak na mga matatanda na. Yun yung hindi ko gets sa nangyayari noon. So, itutuloy din namin na paamin. Sabi niya, dahil ayaw niya akong mag-asawa. And then, because ko, sabi niya, ayaw niya akong mag-asawa dahil gusto, yung parang feel niya may tatakbuhan pa siya, matatakbuhan. Kasi, parang spoiled din kami, bibilhan ng sasakyan, ganon, bigyan ng ano, ganyan sa, noon yung dalawa niyang kapatid, yung panganay, tsaka yung bunso, nabilhan yan ni Tami ng masasakyan, bata kasi Tami, hardworking kasi yung asawa ko. So, he lend the money, pinautang, pero alam ng utang na quits, ganon. Yun yung sabi niya noon. So, kaya ayaw daw, kaya yung panganay nila kasi siya yung walang asawa, nag-divorce, may mga anak. So wala siyang matatakbuhan, yung mga anak niya parang makikita mo na hindi siya alagaan pag matanda niya. And then nakikita ng kapatid ni Tami na ganyan yung mga anak niya. So ang naisip niya is yung kapatid niyang lalaki, yung parang anytime matatakbuhan niya. So yun, na-shock ako na napaamin si Tami na yun pala yun, kaya ganyan yung tingin nila sa akin, kaya ayaw niya ako kasi, yung ayaw daw niya mag-asawa yung asawa ko. Bakit naman ganun? Pagka-selfish naman yan ganun, kasi sabi pa ni Tami, kahit mag-asawa ako, matatakbuhan pa naman din nila ako. Yun, sabi ko, oo, yeah. So, ako ba, na-shock ako, na ganun pala, naapaamin yung asawa ko na, kaya pala, nung buhay pa siya, yung last niyang punta dito, kasi sabihin ko to sa inyo guys dahil alam nyo naman, sinishare ko sa inyo lahat, matagal na kayo, kung matagal na kayong viewers dito, sinishare ko sa inyo lahat, ganap ng buhay ko sa side ng asawa ko, ganun, sinishare ko talaga lahat, diba? Very shareable naman ako, share. Yung nagpunta siya dito, may sakit na siya, parang hindi man na may sakit na sobra, na-shock nga kami, sabi ko na-shock kami. Bakit nangyari yun? Sabi ni Tami, gusto niya malaman, pero yung mga anak, ayaw nila ipa-autopsy. So sabi ko sa kanya, I said, sabi ko, naalala mo ba na yung nagpunta siya dito, noong last few years ago, remember, sabi niya na, ayaw niyang mag-asawa si Tami, at kung ano kay Tami, may karapatan siya. Nasabi niya na, oh, maganda pala yung bahay. Pumunta ako sa taas. Sabi pa niya, kung mamatay yun si Tami, hati-hatiin daw namin yun. Ako, si Bianan, ako daw. Sabi ko, wala akong, sabi pa niya, hati-hatiin daw namin itong bahay kapag si Tami yung mawala. And then, hatiin daw nila, dito daw siya makatira. And then, napaganon ako. Napaganon ako. Kasi alam ko naman yun, na feeling niya na may karapatan siya kung anong meron yung asawa ko. So, yan lang. Na-share ko lang na kaming dalawang mag-asawa, na pag-usapan namin yan. Sobrang aga. Na ganun. Kasi, sabi ko sa kanya, bakit napag-usapan namin? Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, last night ba? Nag-ano ako, inaisip ko na yung ina mo, iniisip ko kung andito pa siya, kung anong ginagawa niya. And then, ang naisip ko is, I think yung ginagawa ng ina mo is, naghalungkat ng bag niya, nilabas, pinasok yung nasa loob, ganun. Sabi niya, di napag-usapan namin yun. Naamin tuloy niya na ganun pala yung kapatid niya. Ayaw pala niya na mag-asawa yung kapatid din niya, na lalaki. Sabi ko, oh my God. Ay, nako. Honey, why you come up here ng vlogging? And then you're very quiet. I don't even know you. I don't even... Han! Put him down! Put him down! Ay, nako. My husband is picking up on me, guys. He's speaking. Like this, walking really slow. Han, what are you doing? Hold on.
Well, I was peeking head through the doorway, but you didn't see him, so I didn't walk in.
Huh?
I was just peeking head through the doorway, but you didn't see his face.
Oh my goodness.
Good morning, everything.
Honey.
Morning. Oh, I'll go back.
No, stay here with me. You're already picking up.
You're crying like crazy downstairs.
No, come here.
I'm
Tami is spend time here with me, baby.
I have a cigarette first, so.
Han,
I'm
spend time here. I'm almost done.
good for you.
So, yun yung mga kaganapan noon. Kaya pala, gusto niya akong pabalikin sa Pinas. Kausa na lang. Anyway guys, balik tayo sa baba. Ilagay ko lang ito sa mga cabinet. And then, ihang ko yung iba kasi may pang talaga ako. Ihanghang itong mga damit.
Roxy still with you? Yeah. Answer the questions and we point the camera. Let's see where that camera's pointing now.
Honey, can you stop doing that? It hurts.
It don't hurt.
You do that, but you never.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
I ask you, touch me, honey.
Yeah.
You don't touch me.
You rub your poison ivy on your
Guys, he is so afraid if there is poison. Oh my God, he's such a baby.
I don't want poison ivy. Mate.
Every night, so guys, I hug him, and then he start like this, pushing me away.
Has nothing to do with being a baby. I don't want poison ivy. You're probably showing stuff to the crowd.
Ito guys, ito yung mga gulay natin. So ngayong araw, lulutuin ko to with steak na niluto namin, leftover man. So may leftover, kaya lutuin natin ito. At saka ang dami nating cucumber. Magsalad tayo mamaya. So more salad. And ibigay ko sana ito sa kapatid ni Tammy, pero Tammy, hindi kami nakapunta kahapon, kaya yan, salad na lang natin iyan.
Yes.
Can you see what I said?
You said, what the fuck? This. Exactly what you said. Then you said, I didn't say that.
I don't see this.
You
mouth.
did.
This
You-
it. The way you see it. This.
This is this. That was exactly what you said.
Okay. Huh?
Don't get too close. Don't get too close.
Dinala namin itong mga cushion niya. What happened? You ruined it?
No, that thing has a connector, but it's the other connector. This side.
Oh my God, itong mga tinuhak ba? Tinuhak mo. Kinain na naman niyo yun. Kinain naman. God. Asan yung isa? Oh my God, init. Init ng panahon. Init ng panahon. Panahon. Ginoo ko ang laki nito. Palagi na lang ako nakakuha ng malaking. Look, ang daming gulay. Gulay is never ending. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Bukas na ito lulutuin ko, guys. Kasi meron naman tayong gulay. So, bukas ko na lang itong lutuin. And then, ito at saka ito ngayong araw. Hello, guys! So, tapos na akong naglilinis, guys. Nilinis ko sila na puti naman. Look, kasi si Tami nilinis niya, hindi talaga siya nakuha. So, binabrush ko siya individually. So, yun. May mga labahan tayo, kaya hinayhay ko yung mga ano. Baby! Baby! Okay na ito sa amin, guys. I'm done with this, guys. Masarap siya. Ayan ko. Paboritong kainin. Tignan itong dalawa, guys. Sus, ginoo ko. Pagka-spoiled. Spoiled. Oh my goodness. he just this one, guys, looks starving. He looks like no strength. He's dying. Look at that. He have that cross eyes. Hey, wake up. Are you okay? We're gonna give you din. Hi, Babag. He has a cross eyes, honey.
I just put my foot out on you, push you out of this.
Look at that. Kakawash ko lang sa cover. Ito na naman sila. Kaya I need cover here. I'm done cooking. It's time for you to eat dinner. And this one right here, it's time to eat. Maganda yung langit ngayon, guys. Oh. The sun. Oh, the sun. It's a moon. It's a moon, guys. Is it raining? Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng cloud ngayon. Diba? Maganda yun magtanim ng kamuti basta ganito. Ang ibig sabihin kapag ganito magtanim ng kamuti, ang daming bunga kapag mag-harvest. Diba? Pamahiin. Or pamahiin. Yeah, the bug is here. May sasakyan. Okay, let's go. Kasi, katulog na eh. Anyway guys, i-end ko na to ditong vlog. Hindi na ako magtagal. Hey, how are you now? We're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Hi guys.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Good night na guys. Why you look at me like that? We're gonna go night-night? Who wants to go night-night? Do you wanna go upstairs instead? Somebody's coming. Hab hab! Do you wanna go to bed? Roxy, listen to mama. Roxy, bed time. Hey, pretty dog. Pretty dog, I love you. Pretty dog, Roxy. We're gonna go up. Oh, Dada's getting some bunsi. He's getting some bunsi. Do you want some bunsi? Night-night. Hi, Mitch. Let's go. Come here, baby, Dada. Tignan nyo tong dalawa. Bawal silang pumasok. Diyan lang talaga yan sila. Hindi sila papasok. Titingin lang. Ganon. Yun.
Night-night, Bonnie.
Night-night na. Okay. Tignan natin kung saan sila punta. You gonna have that there? Bye, guys. Good night. Good night, guys.